Today, we're diving into a really unique wildlife adventure in Bali. I mean, who hasn't? This question kicks off an incredible, hands-on day with these gentle giants. So this whole experience happens at Mason Elephant Park. It's a dedicated rescue sanctuary. Your day's gonna start pretty early. Let's break down how the morning unfolds, shall we? First up, a great breakfast with an amazing view. You get to watch the elephants right there. All right, now for the main event. Here are the 4 key ways you'll get to interact. You get a full 10 minutes to help wash and scrub the elephants with their mahouts guiding you. Then you actually ride bareback into the pool with them for their bath. How cool is that? And after their bath, you get to hand feed them. It's a really calm, direct way to connect. The adventure isn't over. Next is a 20-minute safari ride through the park grounds. But, this whole thing is more than just fun and games. There's a much deeper purpose here.
Yeah, this isn't a zoo. It's a real sanctuary for rescued Sumatran elephants, a safe home.
And they really want you to learn. There are tons of ways to understand their important conservation work. Exactly. It's for people who want more than just a quick picture. It's about a real connection. Okay, so you're probably wondering about the logistics. Let's get into the practical stuff.
So what's included? Pretty much everything. Just remember to bring your own towel and some spending money.
And speaking of what to bring, here's a quick checklist so you're totally prepared for the day. Getting there is easy. Pickups are included for most of the big tourist spots in Bali. So what's the big takeaway here? What makes this whole thing so special? It perfectly blends adventure with education. You interact with rescued animals and support conservation. It really makes you think, right? What makes a wildlife encounter truly meaningful?
Want to have breakfast and bathe with elephants in Bali? Don't just watch, experience it for yourself. Click the link below or visit balielephanttrek.com and book your adventure today. See you there.